Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. Excise tax filers should give e-file a try. IRS Tax Tip 2021-111, August 2nd, 2021. The IRS encourages taxpayers who file federal excise taxes, there's a link to the excise taxes here, to file electronically. The following excise forms can be e-filed. So we can e-file the forms. Obviously, the IRS is trying to move forward towards the e-filing on as many things as they can, because you would think it would be easier on their side of things as well, and usually it would be a more easy process for the most part. So we have the Form 720, Quarterly Federal Excise Tax Return, Form 2290, Heavy Highway Vehicle Use Tax, Form 8848, Claim for Refund of Excise Taxes Return, Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 only. Advantages of excise e-filing. E-filing excise tax returns is safe, secure, easy, and accurate. Form 720 e-file is convenient. Plus, taxpayers receive faster service and an acknowledgment from the IRS that the agency accepted their e-file Form 720. So that's one of the biggest things, of course. It's faster. It usually is kind of easier to do, and you get that immediate confirmation, which is nice. So we have the Form 8849, e-file offers faster refunds than through paper filing. Form 8849, Schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8 may be e-filed. Form 2290, e-file provides taxpayers their Form 2290, Schedule 1 almost immediately after the IRS receives the e-file form. Excise tax e-file facts. Only, that's a nice rhyme there. Let me say it again. Excise tax e-file facts. Only providers who have passed the IRS assurance testing system requirements for software developers of electronic IRS excise returns are listed on the excise tax e-file providers page. IRS provide approved excise tax e-file providers do charge a fee. This fee is not part of the excise tax payment. Filers must have an employer identification number to e-file excise tax returns. Taxpayers who don't already have an EIN, employee identification number, can learn how to apply for one on irs.gov, irs.gov, the IRS website. There's also a link to the application process here. Service is available 24/7. Filers reporting 25 or more trucks on Form 2290 must e-file. Paying the excise tax completes the filing process, and there are multiple ways to pay any excise tax due, including electronic payment methods. More information can be found at the links below. We have some great reading resources, or the IRS has some great reading resources here. Excise tax e-file for Form 720, 2290, 8849, frequently asked questions, Form 8849, claim for refund of excise taxes, frequently asked questions, Form 720, quarterly federal excise tax return e-file, and FAQs, frequently asked questions for truckers who e-file. There's links to that very stimulating and good reading material here, and there'll be a link to this in the description.